Bé, nois, avui tenim amb nosaltres George, des de Grècia, des d'Atenes. Ell serà el que ens farà la sessió d'avui. Ja l'he conegut als Estats Units, ha estat jugant a college a Iowa, un estat al costat de Nebraska. I res, avui serà el nostre entrenador. George, how are you, brother? All yours.
Hello guys, how are you doing? ¿Cómo estás? Today we're gonna do a workout together. The only thing you need, just your body weight, nothing else. And that's all. Let's start. Open your arms and start doing forward small circles. Follow me. Now backwards. Start doing big circles all around. Backwards. Now, again, extend your arms. Come here and put your chest out. Two here and two open. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you come again here and you start going from the side. Now your hands here and you start moving left. 5 left, 5 right. Now open your legs, your hands here, go on the left, like this. Then up and go faster. 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You come again up. You bring your legs on the same width with your shoulders, and then you go down. Touch your heels, again up. 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9, 10. Okay. Now you come here. You start doing mountain climbers like this. Let's take it be fast. Just 3 more. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come again, and you start doing squats. The legs again, the same with your shoulders, right here. Going down 90 degrees and then up. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Now come again. Up. Here. Keep the whole body straight. And then we do one leg at one hand at a time, like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and keep your body straight, like this. Don't go here. Okay. 5 exercises. 45 seconds walking, 15 seconds rest. So, the first one is this one. For 45 seconds, you're doing this, then you have 15 seconds rest, and then we move on to the next. The next one, the second, is here. Back lunges, and then knee up. Down, and then the other one. Up. Again, 45 seconds walking, 15 seconds rest. After this, we're going to like burpees, but a different one. So we'll start here, from plank to come up. You can squat like this, stay for like 2 seconds, and then back again. This is the third exercise. 45 seconds work, 15 seconds rest. After this, we are here in plank and go side kick. This is 1, 2, 3. Kick from another. Then like this. Again, 45 seconds work, 15 rest. Last one will be push-ups. You start like this, going all the way down, then again up. If you feel you can't do more, and you're so tired, when you keep doing and you can't go up, put your knees down, and keep moving your knees. Okay, those are the exercises. We're gonna start. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Push now. Last round. Don't quit.
When the love runs out, trying to keep somebody around. When the
15 seconds. Keep moving, keep moving.
right now, you need to party, make yourself rise up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Keep going. Lunges. For one last time. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Find your balance. Move your hands as well. To find your balance and quickness. Fifteen. 5, 2, 1. Time. Move on, burpees. Last round, guys. Give it all. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 15 seconds. Let's go. I'm not skating. 1, 2. 5 more. 1, 2. Last one. Well done, boys. 2 more. 2 more. Let's go. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Side kicks.
Either you're mine or you're not. Make up your mind, sweet baby.
Push now. Push. Find your balance.
A little party never killed nobody. We gon' dance and sing.
I know it's tough. 15 more seconds. Keep going. 5. 2. Well done. Last one. Push-ups. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Push it. Push it. Last one. Get on your knees when you get tired and keep going. 10 seconds.